You told us yesterday that there was a chance we could have some lingering showers in southeast New Mexico today, where they don't want lingering showers.
Yeah, they don't.
And you were right.
Yeah, there is some still in southern parts of the state. We did have a few flash flood warnings in effect, flood advisory for Otero County, and a flood warning still lingering for Eddy County due to just any little rainfall on top of an already waterlogged county, still in effect until 10:30 tonight for the urban areas and the small streams of Eddy County. Now take a look at Pinpoint 4 live Doppler radar. Not as widespread. We're talking about the storm coverage compared to yesterday, but still lingering showers and storms throughout southern New Mexico. First, we go towards the Gila, where we're picking up pockets of light to moderate shower activity moving towards the south around Silver City, Hurley, and Cliff. Meanwhile, towards the east, we're picking up some batches of heavy rain in Otero County to the southeast of you folks in Alamogordo, and some of those showers making their way into far western portions of Eddy County. But notice much of Carlsbad and Loving finally drying out, and even some lingering light showers just to the north of Hobbs. And as we head to the north, we notice just isolated pockets of showers and storms in Torrance and Guadalupe counties, but not as much happening across the rest of the state. Now here in Albuquerque, mostly clear skies, very warm temperatures, already 80 degrees at the sun port, with dew points in the upper 40s and light winds from the west-southwest at 5 miles per hour. And there are many warmer locations, including Tucumcari at 83, 82 in Clayton, Farmington also in the lower 80s, right at 80 in Gallup, and in southern New Mexico, much warmer now, still with a little more sunshine, lower 80s for Carlsbad and Deming, mid-70s there in Silver City. So notice much of the activity confined generally south of I-40 as far as the showers and storms, and that's where it's going to remain at least for the rest of the night. Then we'll finally dry out just a little bit more. Now, Pinpoint for Futurecast for the rest of your Tuesday, not really showing much. Again, isolated showers throughout southern New Mexico, and then by tomorrow we see some more activity try to develop, but the four corners remaining dry. High pressure will begin to build from west to east, allowing for warmer temperatures and also drier conditions for at least central and northern portions of the state. But by Thursday, we get a little more monsoon pattern trying to develop, so there is that chance of rain picking up throughout much of New Mexico, at least for late Thursday. But again, this will be more monsoon type, so just scattered showers and thunderstorms are in the forecast, not a widespread tropical system like what we had to deal with Odile last week and even earlier this week. So remember, yesterday at 8:29, it was officially the beginning of fall in the northern hemisphere. So what is ahead for fall, October through December in New Mexico? We'll have that answer coming up tonight at 6. Now, for tonight, we expect lows in the 50s and 60s throughout southern New Mexico. Highs tomorrow in the 70s and 80s in many spots, including Roswell. Notice finally drying out just a tad for tomorrow. Isolated showers Thursday, and those temperatures actually warm up quite a bit for Friday and the upcoming weekend there in Chavez County. Northern half of the state, we expect lows in the 40s and 50s tonight. Highs tomorrow, again, like today, 70s and 80s in many locations, including Farmington. You're going to top out at 85 for tomorrow, 86 Thursday, even warmer on Friday. But notice a cool down for the weekend and early next week, chance of rain going up as well. And for Santa Fe, we expect lows in the 50s, highs tomorrow in the 80s, 70s though for Los Alamos and Taos. Isolated showers still in the forecast for the next 3 days. Goes up a little more for the weekend with temperatures cooling down early next week. East Mountains tonight, we expect lows in the 40s and 50s, highs tomorrow around 80 degrees from Tejares to Moriarty and Edgewood. And here in the metro, it's going to be a warm Wednesday with temperatures climbing into the mid-80s. Isolated showers not out of the question through at least Friday, but there is a mini cool down expected for the weekend, and the chance of rain does go up. But again, there is a flood warning for Eddy County until 10:30. Just any lingering showers there could mean problems.
All right, and that is a mini cool down.
Mini cool down.
All right, thank you.